What is the easiest business to start? Hi, Lee Cusano here from painting-business.com. Please watch this short video all the way through to the end. I have a powerful bonus to share with you. It is an easy business to start. It also works as a powerful high-paying add-on service for any home service biz. So, what is the easiest business to start? For me, it was a painting business, and for several good reasons. First, I figured I had enough experience to get started. I did know how to get free customers and leads. I had some old painting tools laying around that I collected and put together. I worked out of the trunk of my car, and no one seemed to care what I drove. They just wanted some painting done. Painting for local customers produced instant cash in the form of a third down payment for paints and supplies. I didn't have to wait 2 weeks to get paid like when starting a new job. All of a sudden I had instant cash flow for my very first day. This is how I always run my painting business, by the way. A down payment qualifies the customer, the prospect. Also, you can get extra business automatically just by doing good work. This extra business comes in the form of add-on jobs and referrals to their circle of family, friends, and neighbors. This can keep you busy for a long time before needing to look for new customers again. I had no trade or business experience that I could use to make money at the time, except for my knack for locating red-hot prospects. Over time, my painting business evolved into several easy businesses to start. Painting, of course, the first one. Light carpentry work was another thing I did. Wallpapering and wallpaper removal, another add-on. Window washing, drywall repair, and a powerful bonus that I promised that I'd tell you about in the beginning of this video is an exciting niche called ceiling space art. See the link below this video, AmazingStarMurals.com. It's a super profitable, super easy add-on or primary service. What is the easiest business to start? For you, it should be something that you personally like doing and are good at. This makes finding the right business all the easier. A local service business makes it easy to get customers because they are all around you in places called neighborhoods. A painting business is an easy business to start, just like a window washing business or a lawn care business is, simply because you don't need much money to invest in the beginning. It's very safe, very attainable. Remember, I started out with just a handful of cheap painting tools in my old beater car when I became a business owner. I was dead broke with negative numbers in my checking account. After the first week, that all changed. My checking account was back in the black again, and I had positive cash flow. Please see my links below this video for more info, and also please leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Even click the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you get notified of any new videos that I have.